Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and having a great day. Welcome back to another helpful Figma tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple design system in Figma. A design system helps you organize reusable design elements, such as components, variants, colors, and text styles. This makes your designs more consistent and easier to manage. So let's get started. First, open your existing Figma design file. We will use the components that we created earlier. Now select both components. Click on the first component, hold the Control key, and click on the second component. Once both components are selected, click Combine as Variants in the top toolbar. Figma will now combine the components into one component set. These variants can represent different states of the same design element, such as default and hover. Next, we can add reusable colors to our design system. Select a color from your design and create a color style. You can give the color a simple name, such as primary color. Now you can also create a text style for your headings or body text. This allows you to reuse the same text formatting throughout your designs. At this point, your design system includes reusable colors, text styles, components, and variants. You can keep these elements organized in your Figma file and reuse them whenever you create new designs. This helps keep your designs consistent and saves time. And that's how you can create a simple design system in Figma. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.